Now, before I get started, first of all, I want to commend you guys. Every one of you who still have the belief, who wake up in the morning, put in the work, put in the effort, despite the kind of outcome you guys get. Because right now, I won't lie to you guys. Let me just say this year, 2026, trading has been so difficult. Irrespective of your strategy, everyone is feeling the heat. But I want to show you guys in this video how we are surviving despite all of these difficulties, going on. Now, the people I pity the most are people who started forex trading this year, 2026. Because some of them, they would be like, oh, is this what people are saying? This is how they make money from this kind of thing? Sometimes I imagine it. People who just got started, maybe last 2 months, last 3 months, last 6 months, and their first experience of the market is this year price action. Now, I will go to the chart because I want to show you guys a way out. Me and my team, we are surviving despite all of this chaos going on in the market. And I won't lie to you guys. The year 2026 has not been the great trading year compared to other years in the past. And I will tell you guys the reason. First of all, let us define the problem. What is actually going on currently? Why the market suddenly becomes so difficult? Why? Now, I'm going to use the favorite chart we all trade. I will use Euro USD. I will use GBP USD. I will also use gold. I don't know if gold is right here on my watch list. I will use gold for illustration. And then you guys will see where the problem is. And if this video does not help you, I don't know what else is going to help you. Now, let's get started. You want to know why the market all of a sudden has become so difficult to make money? Okay, let's have a look. This is gold, right? SLU USD. Let's look at the previous 30 days or previous, whatever, the previous last month, last 2 months. Then we'll take a look at last 6 months. What has been going on across all of these assets like SLU USD, maybe Euro USD. We'll take a look at Euro USD. We'll take a look at GBP USD as well. Now, everyone pay rap attention. You see, let's take a look at the past 3 months. Okay, let's start from the month of June, somewhere around here. Look at what gold have done in 3 months from here to here. And if you observe where the market is currently, this is where the market is currently right now. You can see this level. And where did the month of June got started? The month of June got started somewhere here. So on average, it's like gold has not even moved in this past 3 months. You can take a look at it from here to here. I'm talking about when it comes to trend-like environment. You won't mention gold on that list. You won't mention Euro USD on that list. I'm talking about, you want to know why the market has become so difficult now? I want to answer those questions. You observe, this asset is not ready to move. And we as forex traders, our joy is that the asset we are trading is moving. Without movement, there will be no money. I am telling you guys the fact, the truth. You see, consolidation cannot help irrespective of your trading strategy. I don't know anybody who trades in consolidation that makes money. But before I came into this industry, at my early stage in this industry, we have heard a popular saying, the trend is your friend. It has been existing for years by our fathers. The trend is your friend. That statement can never cease. So if the trend is your friend, because opposite of trend is consolidation, it actually means consolidation is your enemy. And what have we been getting this year so far? Look at gold. Even look at the month of July. All through the month of July, look at how price was choked in an environment. All here, no movement, no going up, no going up. You want to know why the market has become so difficult? Now, if I go to Euro USD, I'll use Euro USD as an example. Now, on this Euro USD, let's look. In fact, you can see for my last illustration with a student, how disastrous this environment has been. Nobody, especially if you are a day trader, it will be difficult to survive this environment. The only way you can survive this kind of environment is if you do long-term trade, like 6 months position, 8 months position, 1 year position. That is the only way you can ignore all of this noise going on. Now, I want to take you guys back as far as the year, because if you observe what is going on right now, you observe that Euro USD is even the worst. Because from the beginning of the year, 2026, this is where 2026 began. You can see on my bottom part of my screen. Now, if I drop horizontal line, if I drop my vertical line here and drop my horizontal line at the first price action of the year 2026, you will find out it's somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. And this is where the market is. This dotted line here. You can see from here to here. That is where the market is. And we are just about 4 or 5 months to wrap up the year. So for the whole year, this is just what the market has done from here to here. Not even up to 200 pips for the whole year. Bro, I'm talking about the whole year. But remember what our fathers always say, the trend is your friend. Which means, bro, consolidation is your enemy. You can see, you want to know why it suddenly becomes so tough. So now, if I take you guys way back, that's why I said I pity people who started trading this year, 2026. I just pity them. Sometimes I feel for them. Because it's not easy. If I take you guys way back, because we have been in this game for long, for years, we have experienced we have experienced a lot. There was look at this year 2022, look at this year 2022, 2021. Take a look at price, take a look at price action, bro. Look, you will know from the view, you will know that this thing has one side, that the market is going one way, and it was bearish that year. You just keep enjoying retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion. You just feel the joy of being a trader. But this year, there is nothing like retracement. There's nothing like expansion. Okay, something that is choked in a part. So how the only way maybe I may say, okay, some people are making, not that we are not making money, but I'm going to tell you guys the secret how we are surviving. But the only way I can see that people can survive this kind of environment is when you decide to channel your attention to maybe lower time frame scalping, do intraday trading. But no matter how, even if you are doing intraday, this thing can still hit on you. If you are doing intraday on this kind of environment, this kind of year, you will make more money than what you are doing in this 2026. So no matter what you are doing, bro, the heat will still be there. That does not mean you will not survive. But you look at retracement, expansion. You will just this year is just killing many people's vibe, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Look at moves, bro. Look at this same Euro USD. I'm telling you, this same Euro USD, bro. This same Euro USD that everyone is now. Okay, look, this is 2022, right? This is let me pick up my vertical line. This is September 2022 when the trend ended bearish. Then started going bullish to go into the new year 2023. But let's measure it. Look at how many things you are going. Look at it from a far perspective. Look at it. Just take a bigger picture of it. Just take a look at the bigger picture of it. Look at moves. Bro, this is what we call money. This is what we call movement. And the beauty part of it, when the trend decide to change that same year, because it want to end the year, all right? They did not just start, they did not consolidate and start doing rubbish. Look, they started maintaining it again to the upside. The same thing you just saw. They started maintaining it to the... Bro, I'm telling you, if you have not experienced all of this, we experienced those years, this good price action, you would think forex trading is a scam. But this year now doesn't mean that we should all, of course, no, there is a way out. I'm going to tell you guys what I'm doing. You see, despite how much I love USD asset, of course, I trade USD. Right now, I even have trade on Euro USD. But despite how I love USD asset, bro, I found out that those years, just like what I just showed you guys now, the year 2022, the year 2021, when we enjoying maybe trading Euro USD, GBP USD, trading gold, I found out that because all of these are major assets, Euro USD is a major asset, GBP USD is a major asset, I found out that those years that major assets were moving very well in a trend-like environment, minor assets were consolidating. Minor assets. That is why sometimes, if that was the year you started learning, your mentor will tell you, don't trade this asset. Don't trade it. Why? They didn't give you the reason. They were just telling you it's a bad asset, it's a poor asset. No, there is no asset that is a bad one. No asset is a bad because people consider it. Oh, what kind of asset is that? Don't trade Euro GBP. Don't trade because they find that they just assume in their head. That's why then those days you will see someone boast online. I trade only one asset. I trade Euro USD. Then of course the Euro USD is what people love me for. Euro USD 20 coming from when I started learning trading 2020, 2021, 2022, 20, Euro USD. Now, oh God, oh my goodness. Now, because I just came into the industry the year that all these major assets are doing very well, I just carried it on my head. I traded Euro USD. I traded, not even knowing that that was the time Euro USD, GP USD were ready to favor me. You get what I'm saying? They were ready to favor me. You know, sometimes if I imagine it, I'm like, wow. I was just acting in ignorance then, thinking that, okay, that is how it will be forever. Though there are certain years that some assets will not do well. But not every asset in the market will be like that because the way this market will work, if you trade Euro USD now, you'll find out that there are two assets involved, Euro and USD. Now, if you take off the USD, all right, and bring out another asset such as AUD, it will now be Euro AUD, okay, because you have taken USD out of AUD USD. So let me make it clear for you guys. Euro USD, AUD USD, these are major assets. Now take out USD from those two. You will not have Euro AUD, you will not have Euro left and AUD left. You combine them together, they become minor pairs. So it will not be Euro AUD. Now, if Euro USD, which is a major asset, is consolidating, and again, AUD USD, which is a major asset, is consolidating, bro, there is no way Euro AUD, which is a minor asset, will consolidate. Never. Let me demonstrate it for you guys on the chart. You see, this is Euro USD. This is Euro. Oh, come on. Euro USD. Euro USD, a major asset. This is AUD USD, a major asset. Now you take off USD from the boat. You now have Euro AUD. Okay. Now, the way forex market work, okay? If Euro USD is going up, AUD USD should go up by correlation because both of them have USD. That means USD is poor. That is why Euro is gaining strength over USD. AUD is gaining strength over USD. So by default, if Euro USD is going up, AUD USD will go up. So these two will go up. You get what I'm saying? Now, if these two are going up, as this two is going up, this one can't go up when these ones are going up. For Euro USD to go up means Euro is strong. For AUD USD to go up means AUD is strong. Now, Euro is strong, AUD is strong. You will just have a consolidation market. That was why your mentor was telling you way back 2021, 2022, don't trade this, don't trade that. But they didn't explain it to you guys like this. You get what I'm saying? Now, if eventually these two now start doing poor, Euro USD consolidating, AUD USD consolidating. Now, both of them cannot consolidate and eventually Euro AUD will consolidate. Now, if both of them are consolidating, this may be my interpretation. It could be that both of them have perhaps equal strength to USD. That is why they are consolidating. For AUD USD to consolidate, it means they have equal strength. For Euro USD to consolidate, it means they have equal strength. Now, when we not pick this quote, is it the base currency? Yeah. When we not pick this base currency from these two and merge it together, both of them cannot have equal strength. One of them will prevail. That is why when this one is consolidating, bro, this one will move. Euro AUD will move in a trending environment. So that is why those years we were not trading cross asset. We just came to the industry and then USD is just doing very well. Every one of us are enjoying USD. Now they started doing poorly. People are struggling. People are not knowing that there will definitely. Why do you think forex market has multiple instruments like this? If I click on this plus button now, you will see the list are endless. All the assets. Let me choose one broker now. Let me just use one broker as example. You see, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, endless assets. You have not asked yourself why. The reason is because, bro, when one stop performing well, switch to the other. You see, nobody will tell you guys this truth because some of you believe my strategy only work on Euro USD. My strategy work only GBP USD. Who told you? That means that system has not been refined. I'm telling you guys this from the heart of love, someone who loves you. Don't kill yourself with assets that You see, from the beginning of the year, January, that was when I spoke about gold. Because last year we had a very good move on gold, SAUS. I told you guys, this year, don't expect what happened last year to take. Last year, people were making money, making money, taking screenshot on gold. This year is not like that, though. Sometime since the beginning of June, only the last week of July, that was when gold made good movement. Are you going to force it? Be wise. There's a saying that when the going get tough, I've forgotten how the saying. I've forgotten how they completed it. Whether the people going get tougher, I don't know. When you find out that the asset is not doing as you expected, bro, switch. That is the good news I came to deliver to you guys today. Switch. There is no trophy. Okay, this is the asset I love to trade. This is, for example, now let me show you guys something. I trade these days now. You see, nobody would have told me that one day I will be trading. Let me show you guys. Let's take a look at it. Okay, there you go. GBP Swiss francs. Yeah. Look how beautiful this price action has been. I want to ask you watching me now. If gold, your favorite, had this kind of price action, will you be complaining? No. Because people have had it in mind. Oh, every other thing is nonsense. Gold is old. If gold had gotten this kind, the only thing is, even though you don't, if I don't know how to put it, if gold has gotten this kind of price action, or if Euro USA have had this kind of move, my God, I will I won't miss one day from any of this because I'm always on daily time frame. If Euro USA had this kind of move, another one again is Euro Swiss francs. Look at, and can I surprise you? Those years, 2021, 2022, nobody paid attention to all of these assets. Nobody, not one, except you guys who are paying attention. AUD Swiss franc, look at all of this. This is the reason why we had all of this alternative. If one stop performing, bro, switch. How do you know the one to switch to? That is the best question someone should ask, maybe in my DM and maybe in my comment, and I'm going to answer it right now. You know how your strategy works, but if you are trading my strategy, the one candle strategy, anytime you find out that price is not closing below previous candle or above previous candle in the way it should be done, it's always very difficult. I am the one who created that strategy. I know it's always very difficult for me. So I work with asset that I call it cutting edge asset, so that the previous day, current day can close above previous day or below previous day. When you have that, for example, you say I've stopped trading NAS 100 recently and I'm waiting. So know when to wait, know when to enter. I'm telling you, recently I have dropped NAS 100, but I traded it from the beginning of the year. I think from the beginning of March. Let's look at NAS 100. You see, I'm very, very smart. I'm telling you guys, I play this thing very, very smart. Very, very smart. You see, all of this move. You see, I traded it NAS 100 live. When they went into this consolidation, you can call it disaster period, I stayed off. Now I am waiting for the market to break this high. The moment they break this high again, I will come back. Bro, please, don't kill yourself with one asset. If you are a believer of one asset, you will suffer with them when the market is not doing well. You will be patient with them. Yeah, that is just the truth. Then later on, when they start doing well again, you can be enjoying with them. And that period of suffering, that period of waiting for them can be 1 year. It can be 2 years, can be 6 months. So know when to be a dynamic trader, know when to navigate, push. If it stops performing, push it away, move to the next person. That's how to do this thing, guys. Be smart, be smart, be smart, be smart.